Planning a winter cruise but worried about staying warm and having fun? Well, fear not, because we're about to dive into some top-notch tips to ensure your winter cruise is nothing short of extraordinary. Firstly, layering is your best friend. Remember, it's easier to take off a layer if you're too warm than to wish you'd packed more. Start with a thermal base layer, add a mid-layer like a fleece or sweater, and finish off with a waterproof and windproof outer layer. Secondly, don't forget your winter accessories. Gloves, hats, scarves, and warm socks are essentials. Consider packing heat packs for your gloves and boots for those extra chilly days. Now, let's talk about the fun part. Winter cruises offer a unique array of activities. From watching the northern lights in Norway to exploring the winter markets in Germany, there's a myriad of experiences waiting for you. Ice skating, snowshoeing, and even dog sledding are some of the winter-specific activities on offer. And for those who prefer a cozy indoor setting, there's always the option of curling up with a book by the ship's fireplace or joining a holiday-themed trivia night. When it comes to dining, winter cruises do not disappoint. Warm, hearty meals are served to keep you toasty from the inside out. Plus, some cruises even offer hot chocolate and mulled wine stations to add that extra touch of warmth. Remember, a winter cruise can be quite a bargain. While prices vary, you can expect to spend anywhere from $1,000 to $2,500 for a week-long trip, depending on the cruise line and destination. So there you have it. Layer up, pack your winter accessories, and prepare for a fun-filled adventure on your winter cruise. From dazzling sights like the Northern Lights to thrilling activities like ice skating, and not to forget the delicious warm meals, a winter cruise promises a unique, unforgettable experience. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to Travelscapes 360 for more travel tips and tricks. Until next time, keep exploring and stay adventurous.